I told you, sneaky cat. Mad. Sneaky cat. Mad.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, since, where the heck is this other bill? Since the Hellcat is down right now, we are going to take the Dodge Demon, and we're going to pick up a kid from high school, and we're going to take him out to lunch. So, I've been telling him I was going to take him to lunch in my Hellcat. He really wanted to ride in my Hellcat, but my Hellcat's down right now. Plus, it's boring because it's going back to stock. So, I figured what better way to pick him up and take him to lunch than in a Dodge Demon. So, let's get over there. You know, when I was in high school or middle school and I couldn't drive yet, obviously, I thought it was always so cool when, like Kevin, my brother, would take me to lunch, or someone older would take you to lunch, or someone would come pick you up in a cool car. But never have I ever been picked up in an 840 horsepower Dodge Demon. So, pretty cool, I would say. I don't think, well, obviously, I'm trying to think what was even around that was that cool. Nothing like the Dodge Demon. This kid's gonna be so excited, and all of his friends are probably gonna be really jealous. So we're gonna go pick him up. I don't know where we're gonna eat yet, but we'll figure that out so we can add a little food into today's video, and maybe we'll do a couple polls. It is on pump gas, so it's only on the 808 horsepower tune. It's not on the full 840, but should still get going pretty good. This random kid has a CA hoodie on. Look at that. Dope. Look at that. Dude, I like your hoodie.
I know, it's a nice hoodie.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I'm about to run someone over. Oh man, these people don't know what they're doing. Well, welcome back to high school where no one knows how to drive. Oh shit. What is this guy? Oh my. Jeez. Come on, dude. Get in the car. Get in the car. Dude, what's up?
Dave, what's up? How you doing?
What's up, dude? Oh, it's kind of hard.
What the fuck is this?
Oh man, no cussing on the channel.
Oh.
Your dad's gonna watch this.
Dave, what are you supposed to do with this?
Yeah, I'll show you. Is it a good idea to do a burnout right here?
Yes.
Where's the cops at around here?
We don't have any.
Shit.
2 teriyaki chickens, extra chicken, and fried rice. Yep.
So when you're in high school, you don't have that much time during lunch. So P's gonna order it and we're gonna pick it up.
Yes.
Bangkok, Tokyo, of course. All right, where are we going, P?
Heading to Bangkok. You know?
The best.
The best.
The best food ever. If you don't eat Bangkok and you're living in Amarillo, you should probably just give up on life because this place is the shit. So I'm gonna get some teriyaki chicken. Ooh, front row parking too. These ladies are like, whose ugly ass demon is that? Oh my god. Dude, up here, man, you gotta look at the camera. You're vlogging.
Oh, you. Jeez. That's my kind of car. Oh, okay.
All right, bye, P. Have a good day, man. Thanks for the ride, dude.
Okay.
See you, dude.
Yeah.
See you, dude. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully P had a good time. His actual name is Pranav, but he goes by P. And I think he had a great time. We went to Bangkok because Bangkok is obviously the best place to get chicken and rice in Amarillo. So hopefully P had a good time. Let me know if you guys think I should do more demon videos, even though it's not my Dodge Demon. It's actually my brother's Dodge Demon. But I thought it'd be a cool video, and P really wanted me to take him to lunch. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Vanby39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.